Student, welcome to Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve some more problems from probability chapter. See student, here there is a problem. So from the deck of 52 cards, if a card is chosen randomly, find the probability of getting a card with a prime number on it, face on it. So see student, from the deck of cards, one card is selected, he is saying that. So here total number of possible outcomes equal to total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes equal to 52. Total number of possible outcomes equal to 52. So if a card is selected from the deck of cards, what is the probability of getting a prime number on the it? So see student, how many prime numbers are there? So there are these 52 cards have been divided into 4 blacks. So see here black and red cards. So these 52 cards have been divided into 2 blacks. So black cards and red cards. So black cards are 26 and red cards are also 26. So again black cards have been divided into 2 groups, clubs and spades. Clubs and spades. So again red cards have been divided into 2 groups again, diamonds and hearts. Diamonds, hearts. So here each group have 13 cards, 13, 13, 13, again 13. So from 13, so they starts from A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So J, Q, K. So these 13 cards, each group has these 13 cards. So 4 into 13, 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So among these 13 cards, we have to select prime numbers. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime. 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all. 4 prime numbers. So prime numbers. Each group has these 13 cards. So clubs has 4 prime numbers, spades has 4, diamonds has 4 and hearts has 4 prime numbers. So see student, from that we can select so prime numbers. Prime numbers in clubs is 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime numbers in clubs 2, 3, 5, 7 and diamonds, clubs, spades. Again we have 2, 3, 5, 7 in diamonds. Again we have 2, 3, 5, 7. Next hearts, prime numbers in hearts. Again we have 2, 3, 5, 7. So totally how many? 4. Here also 4, 4, 4. So prime numbers in all these. So totally there are 16 prime numbers. So total prime numbers. Total prime numbers equal to 16. So favorable outcomes equal to 16. So let E be the event of getting prime number. Let capital E be the event of getting prime number. Let capital A be the event of getting prime number. Therefore P of E is equal to favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, that is 16 divided by 52. 4 4s are 16, 4 13s are 52. That is 4 by 13. So 4 by 13. This is the first one. So next second one, face on it, face on it. So each group has 3 face cards. So total face cards, these 3 are called the face cards. J, Q, K are called face cards. So each group has 3 face cards, totally 12 face cards. Total face cards. Total face cards equal to 12. So favorable outcomes equal to 12. Favorable outcomes equal to 12. Therefore, let E be the event of, let capital E be the event of face card, getting face card. Event of getting face card. Then P of E is equal to, P of E is equal to, favorable outcomes are 12, total outcomes are 52. So see here, face on it, getting face card. So total face cards are 12. So J, Q, K are called the face cards. Each group has these 3 cards. Clubs has spades, diamonds, hearts. So 4 into 3, 12. Total face cards are 12. Favorable outcomes equal to 12. Therefore, let E be the event of getting face card. Then P of E is equal to favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes are 52. So 12 by 52 cancel by 4, 4 3s and 4 13s. So 3 by 13, 3 by 13. That's all. So like this we can find the probability. So these are the 4 mark problems, student. So after watching the video, at least you have to practice 3 to 4 times. You have to do different types of problems. You have to solve and you have to practice different types of problems from probability. You can do very easily in the examination. So that's all today's class, student. I will meet in the next class. If you are watching first time my channel, subscribe to my channel, learn more maths by Varakma.